Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Taki from the Friday Night Funkin mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Start with a curved line at the top here. Then let's draw the shape of the face underneath with a large U shape. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw a large curve up on the left. And then another thinner one on the right. Now add one eyelash to the left eye and 3 on the right eye. Let's draw the mouth next. Underneath the eyes, draw a line across. Then an angled U shape underneath. And then color the mouth in black. Let's add some detailed lines on the face now. Draw 2 angled lines in the center. And then some small curved lines inside the bottom of each eye. Next, draw a large pointed shape above the head. Now a line down on the right to close it off. And then under this line, a curve back into the face. For the left side, draw a line out and then curve it back down. And then one more small curve to close it off. Next, draw a cross shape inside near the top. Let's add a floating crown now with 3 points on the top left. And color it in black. Let's draw her body next. Draw the collar with a curved shape under her chin. Then to the right, draw a bent line down. Next, draw the shoulders on both sides like this. Next, on the right side, draw an S-curve down here. And then a V shape underneath. Now move over to the left side and draw a curved line. And then angle it back in at the bottom. Now connect the lines at the bottom. Next, add 2 short lines down on either side. And then a curve across the bottom to connect the lines. Let's continue the arms next. Continue the line down from the right shoulder, stopping at the waist level. And then another smaller line down for the inside of the arm. Do the same thing for the left arm, angling the lines outwards. Then close off these lines with a curved line. Let's add some details to the shirt next. Start with a small cross. And then add small black dots for the necklace. Next, add a curved line under the cross here. Then draw a curved line across from the left to the middle. And then continue this line to the right. And lastly, add curved lines across the arms at the same height. Let's draw her skirt next. Draw a small line out from the bottom of her waist on the right. Then curve it down towards the right like this. Now add a small line out from the left of her waist. And then curve it down, stopping here. Now from that angle on the left, draw a curve down for the left side of the skirt. And then close off the bottom of the skirt with an S-curve. Let's finish off her arms now. On the right, draw a curved line across the bottom of the arm lines. Then angle the outer line back into the skirt. Hop to the left now and draw an angled line in for the elbow. And one more line above it to finish off the arm. Let's draw her legs and feet next. From the bottom left of her skirt, draw a line down with a slight S-curve. Then to the right, the same thing but shorter. Now add a curved V shape at the bottom like this. Then from the bottom line, curve it over and back up for the shoe. Next, add two curves across the top here. And lastly, add a small line in the bottom for the heel. Now do the same thing for the other leg and foot, but angle it in the opposite direction. Let's draw the chainsaw next. From under the left arm, draw a bent line down. Then another one to the left. Now continue this line up above the arm. Next, add a small V from the top shape. Then a long angled line down from the bottom shape. And draw a parallel line down from the leg. Close off the end of the chainsaw with a curve. Lastly, let's draw her veil. Draw a line down on the right from the face to the shoulder. Then from the right side of the face, draw a curve down to the side of the arm. Let's hop to the left side now and draw a line down to the arm. Then an angled line down to the left. Now curve this line inwards. Then continue this line down, out, and back into the chainsaw. Continue this line on the other side of the leg like this. Lastly, add one more curve on the left here. And that's it for Taki. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.